Hey foodies, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're tackling a kitchen basic that can elevate your cooking game. How to peel tomatoes like a pro. Whether you're prepping for sauces, salsas, or soups, this technique will have you saying goodbye to tomato skins with ease. Let's dive in. First up, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. With a sharp knife, score a small X on the bottom of each tomato. This helps the skin peel away effortlessly. Now carefully drop the tomatoes into the boiling water. Let them cook for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until you see the skin starting to loosen. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the tomatoes to a bowl of ice water. This will stop the cooking process and make the tomatoes easier to handle. Once the tomatoes are cool, you can start peeling. Gently grab the skin at the X and peel it back. It should come off easily, revealing the smooth, juicy flesh underneath. If you encounter any stubborn spots, you can use the tip of your knife to help lift the skin. Just be careful not to cut into the tomato itself. And there you have it, perfectly peeled tomatoes. Now you're ready to use them in your favorite recipes. Whether it's a classic marinara sauce or a refreshing gazpacho, the possibilities are endless. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't let tomato skins hold you back. Give this peeling technique a try and take your cooking to the next level. There you have it, folks. Say goodbye to the hassle of tomato skins and hello to a smoother cooking experience. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen wisdom, and let us know in the comments what kitchen basics you'd like to master next. Happy cooking!